45 parking look like this way. 90-degree look like this way. Parallel parking look like this way. Understand? All the parkings are different. They are not each other, same as each other. 90-degree, the parking lines as this way. I'm going to teach you today parking as 90-degree. Some 90-degree parkings are having this small area. This small area called extra space of taking exit for left. This is road. If it is a road, you will get a space between a both line. If not having much space, it's called extra space of exit of which left. Understand? Now how to go for this parking, I will guide you. Let me take my car. Here. This road you will get almost this way and this way. My car is here. If I want to go for this parking, same, it's a left line and it's a right line. This right line I will be seeing in my right door, not in front. Front is for the 45. Right door where you will see near to the mirror here. Means this area somewhere. Here. Means almost you can keep an idea of the handle, but before the mirror. Somewhere maybe the line comes here, anywhere it can comes here. But in this area, I will say you, go for this parking, see the right line. Where it's come, make your aim there. It should come there, take full turn right. Either it's a line, either it's a wall, either it's a car, whatever. Because some parkings are not having line. Some parkings are not having line. Make your camera front, rotate. You see, in the school, the wall, the pillar, that pillar or this pillar. If there is no line, you have to count as a pillar to make a parking. These pillars. You have to make as a line, as a comparing as a wall to the shop or the wall. Park as a line, as considering as a pole, pillars, and take a full turn right. Then get up and see that the upper line that your car is going right or left, and start returning and fix your car as a straight. That is only the point of putting a right parking.
One turn right.
Full turn right.
Full turn right.
45 one turn. 90-degree putting full turn
right.
Exit also full, putting also full. 45 putting one turn, exit full. So don't mix to each other. Wrong. Okay. How you will know that your car should how much go front and stop? This stone area, interblocks. This interblocks you will see down of the mirror. Rotate your camera and show down of the mirror. You can see the interblocks, red and white and black. There. Normal sitting position. Do your little camera down, because make into your eyes. See, now it comes. Your eyes and the camera, if you make same, then only you will see the image of the view of the what I am showing you. It will show same. Down of the mirror. Okay. But if you get up and see, it will just come down of the mirror. But if you sit in the normal position, see, it will come little before. Understand? So it comes as that way. Clear? Now come back to my here. So that's a call 90-degree putting right parking. Now I will show you how to put a left parking. Left parking, if I example I am going for this parking. This parking I was going, so I was seeing the right line. I am going for this parking, so this is my left line and this is my right line. Left parking, we will see the left line, not the right. Right parking, right line. Left parking, left line. Left parking, I will see where? Almost middle of the door. Of your side, not my side. Middle of the door, it will look like this way. Show the point here. But where? On your left side, not my side. On your side. Okay. On your side, where? If you see teacher shoulder curving area. Same here also same. Shoulder curved area, it will come middle. Understand? Maybe somewhere here, anywhere in this range you will see the line. When it comes, go and turn full turn left. Go and turn full turn left for this parking. Same thing. Get up and see the line is coming right near, left near. Fix the car and stop according to the stone.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Now I will tell you how to take exit. Exit is complicated. Putting is still easy. How to take exit? If this is your car,
Okay.
I want to go. Examiner, what is this road? Go left.
Go.
This road is go left. This road is go right. If examiner says you go left, so what you're supposed to do? This, what I have written, extra space, exit for go left. You're supposed to take your car exit as this way. Here. Then from here, what you will do actually? What you will do from here? Put reverse, handbrake down, put double indicator. Move and turn from here, full turn right, this way. Then you will apply D first, return the 2 turns left, tire straight. Close the double indicator, put signal left, check middle mirror, left mirror, check shoulder. Road is clear, look front, middle mirror, and then come into the left road as this way and go through continuously straight. This is the way of taking road exit left. Example, I say you go left, don't take a left this way.
Okay.
How you will go then? Because this is car is coming. Don't take left. You're going through reverse, you're not going through drive.
Okay.
Reverse, you need to take a opposite turn on right. Go and turn full right. So your face comes on the left side. Clear?
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
And now, if examiner says you go right, what is the method to go right? You have to go straight. 2 things you have to focus first. You have what? First you have to see the cars are coming or not coming from the left and the right. Both sides. Second, you have this extra space or no? You have this extra space or no? If you have this extra space, so you have to go mid out of your car. Means this extra space line, it will come into this area.
Okay.
Camera show here. Camera show here.
Okay.
Understand? This area before this written. Sorry, after this written. Not before. Before comes this. This is called after. It comes here. Your side also same. But if you don't have this extra space, so we will go according to the parking. Parking line. This. Parking line. We will go half out. And then we will go and turn full turn left. But we have extra space, so we will come from here. Go and turn full turn left. So the car will come here.
Okay.
Understand? But if we have extra space, then only we will go. If we don't have extra space, we will go according to the parking and take exit. But this parking have extra space. Rotate your camera and show the extra space. This behind the parking have extra space.
Yeah.
Where the car is taking exit, you see?
Yeah.
That Bilasa car is taking, now see it's enter on the road.
Okay.
That is extra space.
Okay.
The parking line, this is the parking line is small. This extra space is bigger. Understand? Clear?
Yeah.
So this. But if it's not there, so we will take a exit according to the parking and take a turn according to that way.
Yeah.
Clear? This is how you have to take exit as a left and the right. But if you want to go if you want to go right, what you're supposed to do? Check in my door only the cars.
Okay.
Because in my door, I am sitting here, you cannot see the line.
Okay.
Correct? So check here only the car is coming or not coming, so you will move or no. In the left side of your window, check the line and check the car.
Okay.
Left side, because car is straight, it will be both sides same. It's not cross. One is down and one is up. It's not cross. So it is straight. Correct? Both sides same. My side check only the car. Your side check the car and the line. If cars are coming, we will not go.
Okay.
If cars are not coming, we will move our car and then only we will see the line and take exit.
Okay.
Non-stop. Slowly go continuously non-stop. But understand? But now one more thing. This is the parking complete. But wait. One more thing. Before going for the parking entrance as the parking either a right or either a left. Always see the middle mirror before turning. Because maybe you're going slow and you're going for this parking. You're very slow. Maybe someone overtake you from behind and going for this way. He is overtaking and you're going for the parking. We will hit to each other. So always check the middle mirror once before turning for the parking. Even I said you for 45 also. So you can see the behind condition. The car is coming faster or no. They are faster. They will not go overtake you because you're not changing the line. Here we are changing, means we are coming to this section to going up parking. Definitely you are supposed to check the middle mirror. check middle mirror. Someone is overtaking you. No one is there. Then only go and enter. Directly we will not turn. Fail the point otherwise. Clear? Any doubt? If there is no line, I will go according to the pillar. Pillars are there, I will go according to pillars. There is no pillar, no line, go according to the car. No pillar, no line, no pole, no nothing. Park anywhere, just straight your car. That's it. Stop the video.